If you're planning to migrate from Microsoft Exchange Server to Microsoft 365, you already know this isn't something you want to leave to chance. A successful migration means moving emails, calendars, contacts, shared mailboxes, and other business data with minimal disruption. Today, I'll show you how Stellar Migrator for Exchange handles that process from start to finish, and I'll share my thoughts along the way. Before we begin, a quick disclosure. This video is sponsored by Stellar, who provided access to the software and a demo environment for testing. As always, my goal is to walk you through the actual workflow so you can evaluate whether it's the right solution for your environment. The opinions and final verdict shared in this review are entirely my own. Let's get started. To follow along, download the latest trial version of Stellar Migrator for Exchange from the official product page linked in the description below. The trial edition lets you migrate up to 2 mailboxes with complete mailbox data at no cost, allowing you to evaluate the software before purchasing. Install it just like any standard Windows application, launch the software, and you're ready to begin. The interface is clean, intuitive, and well-organized, guiding you through each step of the migration process without overwhelming you with unnecessary settings. First, choose the source server and target server types. For this demonstration, I'll select Exchange Server as the source and Microsoft 365 as the target. This configures the job for an Exchange to Microsoft 365 migration. Next, enter a job name and create a new migration project. Here, you can choose exactly what you want to migrate, whether it's primary mailboxes, archived mailboxes, or public folders. This flexibility allows you to migrate only the data you actually need. Now, connect to the source Exchange server. You can enable the Auto Discover email option and simply enter the email address and password to establish the connection. Alternatively, you can also disable Auto Discover and manually enter the IP address or FQDN along with the email address and password. Click Validate to verify the credentials and then click Next. For security reasons, I'll blur all credentials shown on screen. Once connected, the software displays all available mailboxes on the source Exchange server. This gives you an opportunity to verify that every required mailbox has been detected correctly. Review the list carefully. If you're migrating more than 99 mailboxes, click Load Mailboxes using CSV and upload a CSV file containing the mailbox addresses. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Next. Now it's time to connect the destination tenant. Since we're migrating to Microsoft 365, either you can use Auto Registration option, selected here you need to log in using Microsoft 365 Global Admin account, or you can choose Manual Registration and enter the email address, client ID, tenant ID, and client secret. You will get these details once your application is registered with Azure Active Directory, AZAD. Again, I'll hide all authentication details for security purposes. The software will now display all destination mailboxes. Review the list to ensure every mailbox is available for mapping. Stellar Migrator for Exchange can automatically map source and destination mailboxes using user ID, saving you valuable time. You can review the mappings to ensure every mailbox is assigned correctly. You can also decide how the migration job should run. Choose Run Manually if you want to start the migration immediately, or click the Scheduler button to schedule the migration. You can configure it to run once, daily, weekly, or monthly, along with the start time, end time, and duration. Before starting the migration, you can customize additional options such as selecting a date range or choosing specific folders to migrate. You can also adjust the number of mailboxes processed simultaneously to optimize migration performance based on your network capacity and organizational requirements. After reviewing the migration summary, you're ready to begin. Simply click Start, and Stellar Migrator for Exchange will begin securely migrating your mailboxes from Exchange Server to Microsoft 365, while continuously displaying the migration status and progress in real time. During the migration, the software displays real-time progress showing completed mailboxes, active transfers, and any items that require attention. Having this visibility makes it easier to monitor large migrations without constantly checking multiple tools. Keep in mind that migration speed depends on mailbox size, internet bandwidth, and the performance of both the Exchange server and Microsoft 365. No migration tool can eliminate those variables, so planning ahead is always important. Once the migration is complete, don't skip verification. Open several migrated mailboxes in Microsoft 365 and confirm that emails, folder structures, calendars, contacts, and attachments are all present. Taking a few extra minutes here can prevent unnecessary support calls later. After using Stellar Migrator for Exchange, what I liked most was the guided workflow. The software brings the major stages of an Exchange to Microsoft 365 migration into a single interface, making the process easier to follow and manage. That said, no migration tool replaces good planning. Before migrating a production environment, make sure you have current backups, verify Microsoft 365 licensing, communicate with users about the migration schedule, and, if possible, perform a pilot migration with a small group before moving everyone. Stellar Migrator provided 2 free mailboxes so you can plan your pilot migration for free. Overall, Stellar Migrator for Exchange provides a structured approach to Exchange server migration and is worth evaluating if you're an IT administrator, consultant, or managed service provider looking for an Exchange to Microsoft 365 migration solution. If you'd like to learn more or try the software yourself, you'll find the official product link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.